Do you want to generate such amazing presentations for free with the help of AI? If yes, keep watching the video. Are you tired of spending hours on creating presentations and still not able to make one which is attractive and informative? Your search is over now because I have an amazing AI tool that will do all this for you, absolutely free. So, let's get started. First, we will need to go to ChatGPT. Don't worry, this is not the tool I am talking about. We will be there in just a second. First, type this prompt on ChatGPT. Give me a 20-slide PPT outline for the topic Best Career Options After 12th Grade. Please make a detailed outline. You can replace the topic name according to your choice, and wait for it to create a proper outline.
Hey, just a quick message. If you want to generate animation videos just like these, then click on the I button or check the description. Now continue with the video.
Once the outline is ready, copy everything from slide 1 to slide 20. Make sure to include only the outline and not the last note that ChatGPT provides. Now go to this website, link is in the description, then click on the sign up for free option. Then use your Google account to sign up yourself. Once signed up, you will see this dialog box. Select the personal option and enter a workspace name for yourself. I'll use AI Declo. Then select your preferred option. Then, you will be on the home page. Here, click on the New with AI option. Then select Text to Deck option. And now paste the slide outline you copied from ChatGPT here. And hit the Generate button. Here, select a theme for your presentation. I prefer to use the Vortex theme. Then hit the Continue option. Now just wait for the AI to generate the complete PPT for you. You can even download it by clicking on the Share button and then select the Export option. You can export it as a presentation file or as a PDF. I will download the presentation file for demonstration. After opening the PPT, you can even edit it if you want to do so. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.